Alright, here we are at the Ogden Nature Center. Stop! Ready to go in? You excited, Emma? Look at Bex. What's up, lady?
What's up?
My unicorn. My trusty husband. Jim! Touch it!
Nice outfit.
Here, look. Point at it.
He's coming with us inside. You want to go see some more serpents?
Jim.
Dad, come on. I know this.
See something else you want, love?
You want them curly like that or straight? Are you still recording?
No, I stop and restart. Don't break them. Oh. Hey, let's go do a spider web crawl, love.
Yeah. Come on, Emma.
Oh, she's got to look in every single one. You're a silly goose. What's that one? Is that one a monster?
What's that one?
Is that a monster? Come on, let's go do the spider web crawl. Oh my goodness!
Me too. Like, get away from me.
Oh my goodness!
What'd they do to you?
Hurry, catch up with Dad. He's gonna beat you. Dad, what is that up there? Look at the map. Oh, that's the birds. That's the owl program, Dad. Do you want to go sit? It's an owl. It goes, hoo, hoo. Yeah, let's go get the owls. They say, hoo, hoo. Go get Daddy.
And they need to have that strength to climb the monkey bars and help mom back. Let's go look over the owls. So they need to be pretty strong grip. Mom and Dad drop as well as close to 100 pounds of pressure. The strongest man, me, can squeeze 125 pounds. That's amazing. But the great horned owl can squeeze up to 800 pounds of pressure.
Oh, he's over here.
Why do you think a great horned owl needs to squeeze so hard? Why is that? It's prey. It catches large things. They've been known to kill geese. They've been known to kill jackrabbits. And their favorite food is skunk. And they need that strong grip to hang on to the animal. And
Bexley!
hey, Emma! Give me a hug. Love you. Give me a kiss. Love you.
Go, Emma, go! Oh, it's an eagle.
Oh, look at this! Hey, Mommy, look at this bald eagle!
Whoa.
That's a golden eagle.
Talk to him, Emma. Hold on, love. Wait for Daddy to tell you. Okay, tell her how to do it.
Go crawl through the spider web to the other side, okay?
We'll meet you at the other side, okay? Jim, you're in my way. No.
Emma, go ahead.
Crawl through.
Crawl through to the other door. We'll meet you over there, okay, Emma?
Look, Navajo tacos.
It's
At the
dripping off.
Ogden Nature Center. Lick it. Navajo tacos at the Ogden Nature Center.
All right, so what do we do?
Yes. So fill up the dropper. Oops, sorry. You can squeeze the top and get some liquid and then drop it on the baking soda and check it out.
Grab this, Emma. You squeeze it
And touch some of this stuff.
and you let it go and you pull it out, okay? Squeeze it hard. And let it go.
Good job.
Pull it out.
Pull it out.
Now,
Whoa.
pour it on here. What do you think is going to happen?
I don't know. Let's see.
Whoa, it's bubbles!
I had no idea until I looked over.
Do it again.
She's taking a picture.
All right, Kaylee, are you ready to go try something else?
Whoa! How does that work?
Beck's over here eating her hands.
Bye. Have fun tonight.
Did we give you guys a ticket?
If you did, you did. If you didn't, you didn't. Okay, we can try this. Come on.
Do it on this side. There's a little white spot. It's turning green, look. Whoa! One little spot right here. Get that one.
The one spot left.
Oh.
You can get it.
Here, can I try?
I'll use this one.
Let her try that.
Oh!
Me. Oh, yeah. Is your eye okay, sweetheart? Or does that hurt?
Okay. Daddy's going crazy, mad scientist.
Stinker, Daddy.
All right.
Oh,
I think that's it. Whoa, look what happened. It's bubbling.
bubbling.
Hey, that's it.
Hey. Oh, you're just gonna stir it?
Just trying to get all of it. There you go. Okay. All done. Let's go next one. Let other people do it.
What is this?
Hi, do you want to come and do a science experiment?
Go closer.
Woo! You might want to step back to the original line.
Try to throw it on top of these, okay?
Woohoo!
Again.
So close! Here's your prize! What do you see?
Look at that. That's a bracelet.
Put it on her, babe.
Come over here. Watch this.
Hi. Yeah. Uh-huh.
What do you see? What is yellow dot gonna see? What do you see? Blue dog. Blue dog? Let's see. Or a yellow cat. Blue horse. Blue horse. Blue horse. What do you see? What does the blue horse see? Blue horse. What is blue horse? Green frog, green frog. What do you see? What else is the green frog gonna see? Purple cat. What do you see? I'm sitting down.
You are sitting down. You're sitting down on the bed, huh?
But on the whole bed.
This little girl?
Yeah, that right there.
The one that just woke up from a nap?
Yes.
Who we bombarded when we heard her cry. Did we have a race?
Yes.
Did I win that race?
No.
Who won the race?
I did. Daddy didn't win.
Daddy wasn't here to participate.
But Daddy didn't win. I win.
You did win.
Yeah. Daddy didn't.
No, he didn't.
I win.
Yeah? Did you blow like the wind?
No. They hold backs.
Yeah.
They hold backs right now.
Spread your legs.
Okay.
There we go.
Goodbye, baby. On the treetops.
Careful, careful. Just hold on to her tight.
There you go. Rock-a-bye, 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 rock-a-bye.
Oh, careful, careful. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum.
Rock-a-bye,
Gentle, gentle.
rock-a-bye, rock-a-bye, rock-a-bye.
Banana. What are you doing? Put her down. She's freaking out. Spread your legs and put her down.
You got wow.
Hey, Emma, I have a question.
What?
Do you know what this stain is from?
What?
I don't know. You tell me.
What's the stain from?
That stain. Do you remember what it's from?
From the M&M.
From the M&Ms. Where'd the M&Ms come from? How'd they get there?
Guys, I peed.
You didn't pee. You spilled them and then sat on them so they melted into my bed. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Melted.
Melted.
This is my baby girl.
She's my baby.
No, she's not baby.
She's my baby.
No, she's my baby.
She's your baby sister. Oh, she wants a mama. Come here, bug.
No, I'm a mom.
You are a mom, but you're her sister. Alright, and there's a pile of dirty clothes that have stains in them I need to wash. Alright, so what are we doing, love? Show them. What is it?
It's this.
What is that?
It's a mask.
A mask, huh? Let's read what it is. It's a chocolate mud mask from Seventh Heaven. She's chocolate in her eyes. Hydrating and antioxidant. Deep moisture. Wow. Let's see how this works. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's get this done.